This episode of Android Authority is brought to you by Domain.com. It's been a great week in the world of Android news. We got news on Marshmallow, the LG Nexus, an Android-powered Blackberry device with a tactile keyboard. You're gonna love that. It's been a sweet week. And then this happened to my phone. Crunch. Well, as a big fan of the original Nexus 5, I'm hoping this is a good pick-me-up. Now, if you watched my Wednesday show, you know we covered this in some detail, but the picture here shows the back of a white Nexus handset, and at the base is a sticker with a red logo that looks like LG's logo. This, coupled with the matte, non-metallic rear finish, suggests that if accurate, the handset pictured is LG's Nexus and not the metal-clad Huawei Nexus. At the top of the handset is a camera lens, and just underneath it appears to be a circular fingerprint sensor. Further credence is handed to the fact that it loosely matches recently leaked renders of the LG Nexus, suggesting that this is the design we can expect from the upcoming Nexus handset. The LG Nexus is expected to be the smaller of the two upcoming Nexus devices, with a 5.2-inch Full HD display amongst the rumored specs. Other notable specs include a Snapdragon 808 processor and a 2700 mAh battery. There's also a lot of other rumored specs, but we're expecting that the LG Nexus will be a direct successor to the Nexus 5, which was pulled from sales earlier this year. Now, an Android-powered Blackberry device with a tactile keyboard, that's something to talk about. According to perennial tipster Evan Blass, aka EVLeaks, Blackberry's slider will hit the shelves in November and will be stocked by all 4 major US carriers. If true, which is likely given Evan's pedigree for leaks, it's interesting that all the carriers are willing to back the handset, and it could be a key step in making sure that Blackberry's new device sells in volume. The Venice is expected to have a large display that slides up to reveal Blackberry's iconic tactile keyboard. And based on previous leaks, we're expecting the Venice will have curved edges on the display, similar to the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. It's believed that Google Play will play a key part of the handset, which is expected to run on mostly stock Android OS, with Android M, aka Marshmallow, set for release in the coming weeks. The Venice may even run Google's new operating system at launch, and we'd certainly hope so, given that the launch is a couple of months after Android Marshmallow. Now, for those of you who own an Android Wear device, you can expect a big update. Google has just announced a big update for the Android Wear platform that will make your wearable much more functional. The headline feature of this update is support for interactive watch faces, which will make it easier to change the watch face design, get more information, or even launch a specific application with just a tap. Developers will need to utilize the newly announced Interactive Watch Face API to bring these new features to their applications. Once support has been added, developers can add additional information to their watch faces that can be revealed with just a single tap. For example, if you want to see the weather, tap on the weather bubble. If you want to see just the time, click on the clock bubble in the center. The last big feature coming in the update is the expansion of Google Translate to all Android Wear devices, even if you don't have Translate installed on your phone. Und jetzt können Sie ganz einfach zu übersetzen meine Worte auf Ihre Uhr. And about that, Google said this: flip your wrist to show the translation to a friend. When they respond in their own language, flip your wrist back, and you'll see in your own language what they've just said. Google Translate will automatically recognize which of the two languages is being spoken. So once you tap Start the Conversation, all you have to do is talk naturally. So my question is, at what point do these translation services become so smooth, so friction-free, that it becomes a waste of your time to learn a new language? Let me know in the comments below. I've got an idea for a new Android-related domain name: helpIbrokemyphone.com. Hell, that's a business right there. That's a great .com. Because no domain name extension tells your story with the same level of trust as a .com or .net domain name. .com and .net domain name extensions inject credibility into your online presence. And who doesn't want more credibility? You can save 15% on domain name and web hostings when you use our coupon code ANDROID at domain.com checkout. Don't forget, 15% off when you use our coupon code ANDROID. When you think domain names, think domain.com. Thanks for watching Android Army. My name is Jace. Love to connect with you right here on Google Plus or Twitter. And you don't want to forget about my brothers and sister in Android who are working super hard to be your source for all things Android.